Curious ID presence. We spend nearly a third of our lives asleep, yet science still can't fully explain why. Sleep is as essential as food or oxygen, but its exact purpose remains one of biology's greatest mysteries. For centuries, sleep was viewed as a passive state where the brain simply shut down. This perspective began to change in the 20th century with the advent of electroencephalography, or EEG.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to Curious, where curiosity meets science.
Scientists discovered that during sleep, the brain remains remarkably active, cycling through complex stages known as REM and non-REM sleep. In 1953, researchers identified rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, linking it to vivid dreaming.
Biologically, sleep serves multiple overlapping functions. One major hypothesis, the restoration theory, suggests sleep allows the body and brain to repair cellular damage and replenish energy stores.
During deep sleep, the glymphatic system becomes 60% more active, flushing out toxins like beta amyloid. Another framework, the synaptic homeostasis hypothesis, proposes that sleep resets neural connections.
Throughout the day, synapses strengthen as we learn and experience the world. During sleep, the brain selectively downscales these connections, preserving efficiency while consolidating important memories.
REM sleep, by contrast, is linked to creativity, emotion regulation, and problem solving. Neuroimaging studies show heightened activity in the limbic system and visual cortex during REM, suggesting dreams may help integrate emotional experiences or simulate future scenarios.
Yet, no single theory explains everything. Sleep appears to be a convergence of restoration, memory optimization, immune regulation, and psychological processing, a multi-system phenomenon still only partially understood.
From an evolutionary standpoint, sleep is paradoxical. It makes animals immobile and vulnerable, yet it has persisted across almost all complex life forms, from insects to whales. Dolphins and certain birds can even sleep with half their brain awake, a phenomenon called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, allowing them to maintain awareness while resting. The near universality of sleep suggests it confers a survival advantage so fundamental that no species could afford to lose it. This conserved behavior implies deep adaptive significance, possibly tied to energy efficiency, neural maintenance, or information processing.
Modern sleep research uses functional MRI, genetic analysis, and optogenetics to map the circuits that regulate sleep and wakefulness. Yet, despite these tools, the precise trigger that makes the brain decide to sleep remains elusive.
Sleep is not simply switching off. It's a coordinated, active reorganization of the brain systems, resembling a nightly reboot of consciousness itself.
We know how sleep works, but not entirely why. It remains one of the last frontiers in neuroscience, a puzzle woven into the rhythm of life itself.
Perhaps the mystery of sleep is what keeps the brain dreaming. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with Curious ID.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching Curious. Until next time.